afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is Garrett from Trading Oracle, and today I'm going to go over our new order blocks tool. This is something that we just added to our Platinum Plus plan. So if you're not a Platinum Plus member, you will not have access to this. So the only way you're going to be able to use this tool is if you upgrade to Platinum Plus. And we are running a sale right now on that, which you get the first month for 50% off. So it brings it out to about $49.50 or so for the first month. So it's definitely a good idea to go check it out, especially after seeing this. I think you may want to kind of try it out for yourself and see if it can help you. So before we get started, I want to thank everybody for all the support. We're going to be starting doing live streams every Monday, and usually I think it's going to be around 8 p.m. Eastern time is what I think the plan is. So just keep your eye out for those. I will be joining in on some of the live streams here and there, and I may even do some on different days of the week. So just kind of stay tuned for that. Make sure you're subscribed, turn on our notifications so whenever we post or go live, you get notified. And definitely, if you think this video is good, think it helps you in any way, shape, or form, please give it a like. It kind of helps get the video out to other people that's maybe interested in the stock market and having tools to help them as well. So we're going to jump right in here. I do not have them activated right now, so I'm going to go into these settings here. And if you have the most recent version, it's going to be Trading Oracle Platinum V1.1. So I'm going to scroll all the way down here, and you can select Show Order Blocks. I've got the candle range at 40. I think that may be default. If not, you can just change that to 40. I do not have the break of structure lines for bearish or bullish on right now. I will show you what they are in just a little bit. Just kind of want to show you how it works and what these things are. So the order blocks are basically areas that our system has detected of large institutional buying or selling in certain areas. So when you see these red order blocks, these are obviously going to be areas that if price gets into, there could be a reversal here. And obviously if price is able to break through these order blocks, it's a very good indication that price is going to continue in that way. So as you kind of see right here, we have a little tiny order block there, a little one there, and a little bit bigger here. But it's basically because of this consolidation that you kind of see when price was going down on Friday. So in this scenario, I wouldn't really be worried about these smaller order blocks. It's these larger ones that you really have to kind of watch and see if price is going to be able to kind of break through there. And I personally do not take any trades within these order blocks. Depending on your strategy, you could. If you think that price is pretty strong going to the upside and maybe it's consolidating a little bit around the order block, you can always place a trade in here, especially if it's halfway through it, and always kind of put you a stop loss a little bit below the order block just in case price doesn't go in your way. You'll have a pretty large risk to reward ratio here, especially if you try to ride it to the next order block. So that's basically kind of what they are, and obviously you have the green order blocks as well. So basically what you're going to see with the order blocks is you're going to see different shades. So this is like a lighter shade of green here, and then you've got a darker one right here. So the darker order blocks are going to be the higher probability of a reversal in this area. So if you see price kind of come down here, you're going to see a higher probability of price shooting back up from this area than you would in these lighter shade order blocks. Even though these are bigger, these darker ones are usually the ones that you see that are probably 70 to 80% chance that price is going to break back up, just depending on volume and kind of what the price is doing. So that's kind of a rundown of what these are, and I can kind of give you a few examples here on this video of how they've kind of worked. So this order block right here that we saw that went across was started in this area. This was Wednesday, February 14th. So you see price kind of jump up, and then it consolidates a little bit, and obviously a lot more buying pressure is in this area, which makes it shoot up again. And so this order block is actually the next one down. So if price does end up maybe lowering tomorrow when market opens, and it kind of gets down here, if you're watching this video before the market opens on Tuesday, February 20th, this is kind of an area to watch. So pretty much the bottom of this is going to be 496.47. So just watch this area and kind of see what happens if you're not a Platinum Plus member, because obviously if you are, you'll kind of have all these anyway. So, and then as you kind of see here on that same day last week on February 14th, you see how price dipped down and then was bought up in this area and then instantly pretty much shot back up. So, we go from 494.40 to 496.56 in a matter of a little over an hour. So this could be a solid order block as well. And then this is the darker one that we were showing you just a little while ago, where a lot of buying took place right here. And this is basically what it's kind of showing, which is why you have a lighter shade of green here and a darker shade of green here. It all is really based on the amount of volume that's going on whenever the order block initially pops up, which it popped up here because of the amount of buying in this area right here. Because this was I want to say Wednesday of last week. It was some kind of news that came out last Wednesday. Maybe it was CPI or something like that. But we had a move from 494 all the way to 496.59. So this is also another area to kind of watch for. And basically, you can kind of, if you wanted to really play it safe, it's taking a position, when price breaks through these order blocks, whether it's to the sell side or the buy side. That's basically what I would do, just to kind of keep it safe, for yourself. Because basically, if you don't want to enter in these areas and you want to wait for it to, kind of break through, that may be, a safer option for you, especially, if there's a, buy signal that maybe comes up whenever it breaks through here. It's really all kind of based on your strategy, your risk tolerance, and things like that. But I think that having these with everything else that we have, in conjunction with each other, I think is great. And we have a lot more coming, obviously. And also, I know there's a lot of different tools that some people want and that they've reached out to us for. And we're going to probably have a couple polls here in a few, maybe in a month or two, about some different tools that we have kind of on the radar. And then obviously, go with what our members want to see. So if there's anything that you guys want to see in particular, even changes to maybe certain things that we already have, please comment on the video and, give us your feedback on things that you want to see next, because we really like to, take what our customers say and give them what they want. So that's about it. Hopefully this kind of helps some of you kind of understand what these order blocks are and why they're coming up in different areas. And if you want to mess around with the settings, with the candle range, you can. Like I said, 40 seems like a pretty good range for me. And I was going to show you these lines real quick. So these are the bearish break of structure lines and the bullish break of structure lines. And basically a break of structure is going to be whenever price does end up moving through these order blocks. So as you can see here, when price moved down through this order block, there was a break of structure. So that candle is going to turn whatever color that you have in your settings. I think I've changed mine to purple. So each time price breaks through these order blocks, you're going to see these candles pop up, and all that is just a break of structure saying that, price broke out of those, that key level, which is those order blocks. So, all right, yeah, I'm going to end this here. Please like and share this video if you can. Like I said, I want this video to kind of, not just this video, but every video that we have on our channel, I kind of want to just be able to push this out to as many people as possible, especially people that, maybe, need any kind of help, trading or using these different tools, to their advantage. That's what we're here for. So if you don't mind, please just like it and definitely subscribe to us, so you don't miss another video, don't miss another live stream. And we will see you guys in the next video. Thanks.